Hey, good news, Cardano holder. It's a really good news, my friend, for all of you. Now, today video is going to be very special. We predicate this coin, we do technical analysis, and exactly, my friend, I share opinion in the last of this video. So let's get started, my brother. First of all, I will announce the good news, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, the good news is that to this time you can see here the change occur last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurring will be positive now. So it's mean to the price and increasing now, and you can see at this time the latest price 1.42 USD dollar and the rank S5 now, my friend, in the graph for market. It's mean obviously the coin is completely moving upward now, and my brother, if we predicate this coin, so we definitely understand to upcoming time can there is a chance to they will move upward or not. So yes, absolutely, my friend, there is a lot of chances to they will move upward now, because my brother, I already predicated. But let's see, my brother, I predicate live now to what they do, my brother. Exactly, my friend, in the last point you can see here the arrows is moving upward now, and everybody knows this too. In the start of month every coin very badly falls down, but definitely, my friend, this time eggs are free. As also, my friend, Cardano is one of the unique coin to they are moving upward now. So first of all, I'm so happy, I'm so excited to see this. Congratulations everyone, and I hope, my brother, the price will be increasing more than more, my brother, but kindly just and only if you are hold now. So kindly I will request you to, I hope, my brother, I'm 100% sure to the mid of month they will give you 1 USD, 2 USD dollar, but it is possible if a holder are holding now. So my friend, this coin is completely collaborate with another companies, my friend. I hope they will move upward, they will promote, but kindly this is possible if, my friend, holder with collaborate with, my friend, this coin. So let's see, my brothers, what they do, but kindly holder, please remember to they will give you a very good profit at the end of month, but definitely just this is possible if you hold now. So hold it to the end of month. I hope they will give you a very huge profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.